Alright, so I did just want to make a quick update video on Bitcoin. Yesterday, we spoke about two possible scenarios. One was obviously bouncing off this 1.618. That's gone out the window, so we can delete that. Let me just lock this. The next price target is down here at 31,400. That's the next fib retracement if we're drawing from the bottom to the high over here on the macro fib. So yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's going bearish still. I mean, it's sad to say, but not much else you can there's no other way you can slice it. You can't say this is bullish right now. So like I said yesterday, I had a short in and my take profit is over here at 34,000. We came to 34,018-ish, so my order actually didn't get filled by it didn't get fully filled. So what I've done is I've moved my stop loss all the way down here now. So I think we had it up here at the 618 when we had our bearish retest over here, and then we put in a short, and I've moved it down here somewhere. The top of this wick here on 36,200. So there's a few other things I want to talk about. If we come to the I see a lot of people saying bear market still, or people are calling for this to be a bear market right now. I did just want to pull up the previous price retracement we had. So we had 55% here before going up, about 10% or so, and we still haven't had our 55% drop. We're currently, it's only about 50% down, so we still do have more room to go down before we can even say whether this is macro bullish or bearish. And I think a lot of people are saying the bull market is over, but I mean, I'm drawing my fib from the bottom of it to the top here, and the 618 is here, so you can see that we came up here and we broke below it for like a day, came back above, and we held it as support, and that was when we went off to the races. So a lot of people were calling bear market here, a lot of people are calling bear market here, and we're not even down to the lows where we were at before. So I'm still looking at this 61.8 until we hit that and break below it. I wouldn't say this is a bear market, and even if it is a bear market, I have the previous all-time high in December 2017 here. So this is literally the worst case scenario, and I don't even think we would go anywhere near that. I think the worst case scenario would be down here somewhere, maybe 26 to 28,000, probably a fake out, and then slowly reaccumulate back up to the upside. And my reasoning for that is if we come over to the daily RSI, you can see we're at 19 right now. Now, we talked about this a bit yesterday, but just quickly, if you come back here, every time we put in, I don't know what this is doing here, every time we put in 15, 19 or 20 on the RSI, it was the exact bottom. Over here, it was the exact bottom of this low. So I am either expecting two scenarios to play out right now. Either we come back down to this 618 and potentially double bottom and come back up, or we're going to fall below and drop to probably about 28,000, 27,000. I don't see us going any lower than that. Now, if I pull up, I couldn't find a single chart that had the data back from 2014, but if we see here on CoinMarketCap, the previous all-time high was in 2014. You can see that we never, in the next bull market, the low, that was the low. We were above it. So if we were to follow the trend, this would be just above this would be the low of this. So I really don't see us going below 28,000. It's just I 100% don't think it's going to happen. I would pretty much almost bet money on it. If we come over to the SPY quickly, you can see why Bitcoin is tanking, and all the altcoins like Crow, ETH, Solana. They're all tanking right now. The total crypto market cap is tanking. And it's because the SPY has just broken below the 200-day moving average. If we come back, you can see that every time we break below the 200-day moving average, we have a massive sell-off. And it normally correlates exactly to Bitcoin. Every time we break below, we tank below. So honestly, I've got my short getting filled down here, so either way I'm good. There's only two scenarios I see here. Either we bottom on the 61.8 here, or it's bear market time, and you know, I reckon we zigzag accumulate very painfully for a unknown period of time. So that's basically everything I'm looking at. Once again, this isn't financial advice. These are all just my opinions on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you.